4-door to 2-door Nova conversion. We are moving the wheel doors on today's video. Hopefully you're enjoying the build. Check it out. We done got this side removed. I got it sitting over there. I'm going to put it on my eBay Busy Automotive store either all together as a whole door, local pickup, or I'm going to part the door out by itself. It's just a matter of getting time to see which way I want to do it. On these doors, these wheel doors, if you're doing this yourself, you got 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you just want to take this hinge off. This set of hinges, okay? These up here you want to knock the pin out of because your 2-door door goes in on that hinge. The hinge is the same, so you want to leave your fenders on and just knock the pins out. Sometimes you have to cut the pins. That way you can line everything up the way it needs to be, and the door pillar that you're going to have to weld in with the quarter section with the roof. So you definitely do not want to on both those. Some of them is welded on the car. This car's a 68, so they bolt on. So we definitely don't want to take them loose. So once we get all this removed, in an upcoming video, we'll be cutting these pillars out here and pulling door pins on another video. I'm trying to document everything. That makes them more helpful, don't it? Can I set you somewhere? If I had a tripod out here, it would be a lot better. Ow. I got some good shoes on today too. Very dangerous like that. Door could fall on them. So I'm going to go ahead and take all these bolts out. There's no need to me keep talking, making this video longer than it needs to be. But we could talk a little bit. Drivetrain, probably old school small block. I don't think I'm going to go LS. I don't know if you agree with me or not. You can comment below if you do, or if you don't, or what you think would be good in this old Nova. I just don't want the computers anymore. I got a couple LS swaps. I built a few, and I don't know if I'm bummed out on them or I'm just sick of automobiles with computers. I'm not sure. We just have to work on what we got and figure it out as we go. That's all I could say. Then we got to debate what transmission we're going with. Originally, this car came with an automatic 2-speed. And it had a 200 metric in it when I got it. If you ain't seen those videos, wasn't even bolted in. I kind of want to go 5-speed because it'd just be fun to have a 5-speed Nova. I don't know. It will. We don't have to say we don't know. 5 speeds are fun. 6 speeds even more fun. 4 speeds is classic. 4-speed Nova, but I like the 5 speeds. I'm not that old school. Okay, doors off. Now I'm going to set up the camera so we can pull it off. Good old days before it was speaker wires and all that in the door. You just can take the bolts out and go with it. Would help if I rolled the window down, but at this point I don't care. I ain't using these doors unless I'm going to pot them out on my Busy Automotive eBay store or sell them whole or not. Or use them as metal. I'm not sure yet. I sure got some good internals that's hard to find. So we just have to research and see what's the best way to go. But check it out. I got the door off. Next video we'll be cutting these pillars out. Right here, getting ready to remove the roof. We need to do the door trim, which that will probably be a short video. Shot in 9x16, so if you ain't seen my other pages, I do a lot of short content. I don't do it on here because this is mostly long form, but I do post every now and again. It's just my short content just don't take off like it does elsewhere. This is okay. We got some patching to do on this walker here, which will be fine. We pull all that out. Oh, do you see the old truck? You want to go check it out? I was going to call the video here. Can you spare a few more? You got time? Let's go. It's a 1956 something or another. I think it's got the 2-ton fenders on it because the wheelbase is pushed forward and we got a humongous wheel gap. Like huge. It's got a 4.0 Ford engine in it. I try to make a detailed video on this truck very soon. Once I get it unloaded, I got a lot of short content filmed of it already. But it is a 4-wheel drive automatic Ford. The interior's Ford. It's on a Ford Explorer frame and stuff. It's got the 8.8 underneath of it. A lot of, you know, sporty goodies. 4-wheel disc brake. And that's the El Camino. You probably done seen it. We build it soon. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this Nova 2 to 4-door, 4-door to 2-door build. I don't know why I always get that mixed up. But I do. But you know what I mean. Stay tuned for more. Comment below. All that good stuff. Thanks for watching.